Since I've tuned my instrument, how much I love music, how therapeutic it can be. Slightly flat, almost have a perfect A. And there we go. And we have a perfect A. This is G, D, A, E. For those of you that don't know, so this is the C sharp. Readjust this entirely. That's what happens when you don't practice your craft for a while. Your piano or your violin will go out of tune. You can always use your ear if you'd like, or use a metronome to make it easier. I'm a perfectionist. I like to use the metronome, but you gotta be careful. You got a C right there, that's C. Okay, C, closer to that D. C sharp, C sharp. Right on the money, now we have A. Now we have D. Let's see how G is doing. Not too off, we got about an F sharp. Use the pegs for major adjustments. And you use these for fine tuning at the top. Our G is a little bit sharp. Almost perfect. This might be a little flat, let's see. Nope, right on the money. So now we have G, D, A. Let's check out our E, one of my favorite strings. We have an E flat. This is the most sensitive of the strings, that is the thinnest, also the highest octave you can hit. Slightly flat. Perfect. Now we can play. since I picked up the violin.